Hey everybody, this is John Vano from the Academy of Art University, AAU Photo Department. We have Valeria De Barros here, otherwise known as V. She's helping us out here with episode 7. We're on 7 videos now of photography on a budget. And today we're going to talk about gels for lights. V here took my advanced location lighting class last semester. We played with a lot of gels for mood. We use it for color conversion, color correction, all different types of applications. But I love starting the class with the students going out and getting, and I'm going to share my screen here and show you, the Lee sample pack. This is something that's free. You can get it at JCX in San Francisco, Sammy's Camera. Most camera stores have these sample packs and they cost absolutely nothing. There's typically about 300 plus gels in these packs, and it's a great way to kind of start the process of playing with gels. V here is going to show us how she applied her gels. Well, let's back up. She organized them. She went to Office Depot, I believe, bought this business card holder, and took apart the Lee sample pack and inserted all of the different gels so they're very accessible, easily accessible to apply to your lights, right? And let's show our viewers how you tape them on the actual lights, V.
Okay, I'm gonna show first the B2 without the filter, and then I have the blue one here. We placed the filter in the center.
Awesome.
With the help of the white gaffer tape.
Right.
And now I'm gonna show how it looks with the red one in place. We cover all over with the white gaffer tape, and that's it.
So you can see, pretty easy, kind of a one-time use only. I mean, not to say that you can use them multiple times, but they are pretty fragile. But that's why I'm a big fan. If you go and get these sample packs, get a few of them, take them apart, and put 2, 3, maybe even 4 into your holders. Can we see some imagery that you did with these gels, V?
Of course. Just a second. Can you see me?
I can. So here, it looks like you have basic white light, meaning no gel.
Exactly. Like, because we had to have location lighting during the pandemic, I had to be my own model.
Of course.
And then
You're doing well, V. You're doing well.
And John helped me to have fun with filters and being like my own model. So
no, it's great. It looks great. So here's a good example of no, again, straight light, probably right around 5,500 Kelvin, that is. Let's go to the next example where you applied the red gel, as you showed before, where you tape the gel to your modifier, or to the light, excuse me. And here we have a totally different mood. And again, it's not going to be as rich as the color that you see because you're not covering the entire light, but it is going to add that hue. Let's go to the blue version. Okay, so here, a completely different look. I'm not going to say which is better. I think it's up to the photographer to decide what is more appropriate given the narrative of the shoot and what you're trying to kind of convey. But I think here you have the same setting, the same lighting application, but really different looks based on no color, red and blue, again, thus having kind of a different look or providing a different look. Okay, let's unshare. So I think the gels for you, I know were very effective in helping you create kind of that mood and look, and it's simple. And if you find yourself going to a color regularly, then I would absolutely encourage that you go and buy the full sheet. But for experimenting or just playing or just wanting to have all those different variations in colors, I think the Lee sample pack, which is free, is an awesome way to go. So
Yeah, that's for sure.
thank you, V, for your help.
Thank you so much.
All right. Take care.